Hi, greetings everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a manual task. Creating a manually scheduled task is fairly straightforward. Set the task mode to manually scheduled, name the task and fill in the information that you have. So let me give the task name, say, Training Rollout Initiative and Plan. The taskbars for manually scheduled tasks change their appearance to indicate which values you have entered. In this project, it's set up so that the new tasks are set as manually scheduled. So all we have to do is create a new task. In this case, I'm going to name it Training Rollout Initiative and Plan. Now you can see I have got a task mode indicator with a push pin and a question mark. That says there is an information that you still have to fill in. Let's say it starts on July 11th, 2014. So I type that date in and now you can see the cap here. You can see the cap is in the time scale. Well, let's say your colleague Peter is going to estimate the duration, so you can write yourself a note. Peter will decide the duration for the plan. Well, the taskbar doesn't change because you have just written yourself a note. But few days later, when Peter gets back to you and says weeks, so I'll say 2 weeks. You can go and select the duration cell, type in the 2 weeks here, and now you have got a 2-week long taskbar in the time scale. You can also see that it shows a dark cap at the end because you got a start and finish date. By giving the task a start date and a duration, the project can figure out when it's going to finish. One of the things, because it's manually scheduled task, the taskbar is the TL. If it were auto scheduled, it would be a blue color. The other thing is the question mark goes away because now you have all the 3 fields. Well, there's another look for the manually scheduled task, and that's when a task has a duration but no dates. And in this case, I'm going to type 3 days in the duration cell, and you can see there is a taskbar and it is for 3 days long. So let's create another new task, and in this case, I'm going to type 3D in the duration cell, and that's for the 3 days. So let me do that. But I want to put that under the Training Rollout Initiative and Plan. So how to do that? Let me indent this. So let me type here, define the objective. So here I'm going to type the 3D, and that's for 3 days. And you can see that there is a taskbar and it is for 3 days long, but the ends are kind of blurred out, and that's the sign that there is no dates assigned to this task. What projects does to put it in the time scale, it at the project start date, so that's the July 11. Tasks, you can fill in the partial or complete information. It's easy to see whether you need to provide more info for a task by looking at the task mode indicator and the taskbar. Now say I want to indent this under the training rollout initiative and plan. How will I do that? You need to select define objective and just say indent the task. So this will help you indent the task under the training rollout initiative and plan. I hope the concept is clear to you. Thank you.